Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create invoice in Zoho Books. So all you have to do is head over to books.zoho.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Sales, then click on Invoices. So from here, we can start by clicking on New Invoice. So from here, all you have to do is fill in all the details about the invoice, starting with customer name. Just select or add customer, then also the invoice number that is pre-created by Zoho. Also add in invoice date, terms, and due date. And from here in the item table, you can add item details manually, or there's a new feature here where you can just scan your item. You can also add in shipping charges and adjustments if applicable, and you should be able to see a preview of the subtotal amount here. You can also add notes for your customers and add in terms and conditions. You can also attach files to invoice. You can also set up payment gateway here. Then once done, just head over and click on save and send. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.